hanging out at the Salton Sea. Actually is a sea. Yeah, that's a mailbox. And that's a swing set. Clark's dry lake bed right now. On our way to Fonts Point. Good thing I didn't have that last taco last night. form a room underneath of it. See, these are the kind of things you can't think about. If you think about stuff like that, you won't be able to move in life. It's called risk assessment and objective danger. Objective danger is danger that you cannot forecast or prepare for. And that's what makes life worth living. Oh wow. This little offshoot canyon right here. It's got water down here. Or that somebody peed. Getting down. So here's our little setup. It's my tent. Here's our kitchen and our living room. Here's a lounge area. Well, today's my birthday. I turned 64 today. I stopped singing that Beatles tune sometime around 2 in the morning. We're parked next to the freeway, so we'll probably get some visitors now. If you come back down here, you do not want to take a two-wheel drive vehicle. You will get stuck. This is only about 8-9 inches deep. But I was on a hill. You'll see the video, but it was quite an adventure. Of course I got out, because that's what I do. It's called self-recovery, or else I'd still be there whining like a little puppy.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Look at this phallic rock over here.
Look at this guy. By the way, this isn't... Oh yeah, that's rock. That's rock coming out of the sandstone. That's interesting.
Yeah, it gets more interesting down here. Look up here, see?
Oh, well, that's definitely ages of years. Look, another petroglyph. Another ancient 60s petroglyph. Fuck you, Daisy. Look at this, like, naturally. Is that natural?
The swirling?
You know, the spiral is one of the, it's the only natural shape.
Look at this thing.
That I hear is universally, what's the word?
Ubiquitous?
Could be. But is it actually universally seen? It's seen from the microscopic level all the way to the galactic level, which is kind of an interesting thing, right?
Yeah.
Back in the 4x4 seasons. That's the baddest truck right here for me, but it's certainly not the baddest that you can get. But it works for me. It got me out, right? We were stuck. We had to climb underneath the car with shovels to clear the pumpkin and the undercarriage.
We were stuck like a duck in the muck.
That was amazing, dude. We climbed underneath, we got everything unstuck. I used my traction boards and we got out.
You used your noggin.
Listen, it's all about knowledge and experience becoming intelligence. That's it.